Well, we've just left Pisang Island and we're heading back past Singapore into Puteri Harbour. So into Pinetree Marina. Dodging ships once again. So today's challenge is that when we've thrown on our port engine and started to drive, we've got a big squeal. Unfortunately, we've got a sheared bolt that holds the alternator bracket, so we've got to try and get that off in the next few days and replace the bolts, but the thread's obviously snapped off inside the engine block, so it's a bit of a bugger to work on. But anyway, we're working with that. We're just getting a message off of the factory now and see what we can do. Yeah, he's motoring across.
He's not looking this way.
He's not looking.
He's looking backwards.
He's laying out a net.
Yeah.
Just about to tick another bridge off our list. So this side is Malaysia and the bridge goes right across to Singapore. So that's Raffles that we started at last time. We had the view of the bridge and now we have to go under. Another bridge to tick off our list.
Another one. This is the lowest we've been under, 25 metres.
25. So 25 metres high and we're 22 metres on top of our mast. We're lucky. Enzo and No More Tears have already been through, so we're pretty well guaranteed that we're okay. What's the tide? What tide is it?
Coming in.
Tide's coming in. So if they just scrape through, we're in trouble.
Picking out low tide. It should be the high tide measurement.
But then what is the high tide? It changes.
Maximum high tide.
So we have a
astronomical tide.
we have a little bit of give, but that's it.
I wish I had a second motor.
Yeah, we've got engine problems, which is not great.
Make it bounce up.
Not great when you've got waves. Oh, oh Jesus!
Not there. Really?
You don't want a boat going past right when you're trying to go under. Oh, it's scary.
Oh, that's not a lot.
No, our antenna's not far off the roof.
Plenty of room.
There's some straights up there.
Oh, alrighty,
We're under.
we're under. That is the immigration, or immigration basically. Checkpoint. That's a checkpoint into Singapore. It's huge.
Bit of a miserable time to be coming in the rain. So we've just dropped our shades on the side here rather than take them off because you can't see through them when they're wet, they blind you. So unclipped them so we've got vision through the windows. Right, you're going to helm from the other side so we can talk to you easy coming in. Swap over here and try it. Oh, I've got to press that in. Yep, this side, so just go to neutral. You're in neutral. All right, take control. Okay. That's it, now you can just drive it. Yep. Right guys, spin, front out, front away, front away. Right, double back now. Yep, double back. Come back.
Well done, Joe. Yeah, it's all okay. I've got it all, Philip.
It's not even a fight. Easy. Alright, I'll run the cord out the back. This one. Oh, jeepers.
Trying to shoot.
Thank you.
Forest City in Malaysia was once pitched as a futuristic megacity, but today it is better known as a ghost town. With little local demand, China's investment limits, the pandemic and the developers' financial troubles, only about 1% of its planned population lives here. Now, new tax breaks and a special financial zone aim to bring it back to life, but its future remains uncertain. It's huge! It's massive. It's just huge. The entire project was built on reclaimed land, which stirred controversy from the start. Environmentalists warned of damage to the marine ecosystems, while even nearby Singapore raised concerns over the impact of large-scale reclamation in the area.
Marty, have a look at this.
What? That looks like a taste sensation.
Yeah, we don't know.
Kickapoo joy juice?
Hang on, I want to photo.
Get that kick. I highly recommend Kickapoo. What's it called?
Kickapoo joy juice.
Kickapoo.
Joy juice.
Guys,
Alright, try it.
what I expect.
Try it and tell me what you think.
You can slam it down fast.
I can just taste like lemon.
He's sculling it.
That's the best goddamn drink I've ever had.
What is it?
Kickapoo.
What is kickapoo?
It's Kickapoo. Everyone knows what that is.
What does it taste like?
Lemonade.
Oh, lemonade.
It's lemonade, is it?
Brandon, what's some Kickapoo joy juice?
Oh, yes, please.
Do yourself a favour and enjoy Kickapoo joy juice.
Fuel delivery. The Marina's really helpful. They've went and got us fuel for us. Do we need to wash them, wipe them at all? See, that one's definitely... I wonder if we need to see if the O-rings are still in them. I wonder if the O-ring's not in it.
How many up there?
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 more.
It's 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 1 more.
Awesome.
Alright, then we got
Terima kasih. Oh, 1 fuel.
one red one.
Yeah, we need to wipe that down.
Here's to smooth seas, safe travels, and harbor that always feels like home. Cheers! everyone!
Cheers!
In Puteri Harbour, we were welcomed with a lovely dinner and drinks right on the floating dock. With the marina lights sparkling around us, it was all laughter, good food and great company. And this is exactly why we recommend the Sail Malaysia Rally. It makes the formalities a breeze, and with dinners like this included, it's fantastic value for any cruiser.
Get the purple one.
Your strong card,
Wow, thank you for your support. So this gift, give your Give your word.
No, it's for Jay. Jay.
Visitors to Johor to understand a little bit about our history, culture and heritage. Yeah? Collected the supplement on about 16 days.
One of the most southern of the main.
Yeah, here he comes. Here he comes. Look, he's coming up.
Oh, good direction.
So cute.
You got your doggy bag? Yeah.
Do we have the seats?
Oh, it's cool. Behind you. You'll see. Over here in the bucket.
How do you feel? Back at work.
We own a plant business.
I know, yeah.
Always a bit skinny.
Oh, I was going to say,
And he's tight.
got a hold it test.
It's a very skinny one. Didn't have a big bulb.
Ah.
It's a bit anemic, the seed pod.
Oh well.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to drive? I like to drive. Okay, come on. Woohoo! They're all.
Be careful, madam. Be careful. Okay, alright. Around this side, around 1 kilometer. Okay? Take your safe drive to reach there.
Does that make you feel safer? He's got his learners.
You have a minor on board. If I'm damaged, you'll be liable.
Keep going. You're on the road too.
This is cool.
There's a procession behind us. We had a line of cars up.
Nothing like in thongs.
Yeah, thongs, safety boots.
Safety boots.
Oh.
We've got cameras everywhere.
You cannot get outside from Malaysia.
We are centre of attention.
It's pineapple tart, fresh from oven. It's hot. Can I take this? Okay. Fresh from oven.
There's one.
There's one. That's what we need.
It's a bubby.
Alright, so big applause to our dancers. Alright.
Marty and his bongo drums.
I know, this is a big gongo.
Where's Marty?
You gonna tap it?
Where's
Look.
Marty?
Timing yang betul. Jadi
Been a
kena
hard
skip
day on the bus.
tempat.
Pasal tu saya terfikir dia sempat. So ni satu hari dah.
Pada saya bangunan Ismail tak payah.
Margaret's asleep.
Itu satu pasal saya dapat sampai paling lambat.
Ya.
Go on. Hey, the girls want to see what it's like.
Come and try.
Come on, just do a little zap.
Give me a hand.
No.
Go on. Oh, if you all hold hands, it takes it away.
Favour for the girls.
Go on. Go on.
Oh, you got close.
All right.
Joanne, it's not happening. What are you dreaming for? That's classic.
Oh, many.